Hey guys, welcome to week 4. So with this being week 4, we can see light at the end of the tunnel. So with week 4, we're going to start in on our ecology unit. I've actually decided to break up this ecology unit into 2 parts. So we'll have one part in week 4 and the other part in week 5. And then in week 6, which will be our last week together, you're going to take your biology final. And then I'll also give you a few days before the biology final to submit any late homework that you may have that you're wanting to turn in. So with this ecology unit in this week, I did want to do my usual overview of our course and kind of go through those assignments and what I'm looking for. And then maybe that would open up some opportunities for you guys to ask questions via email. And then if you need further help, we can always hop on a Google Meet. So let's go ahead and do that. So looking at week 4, this is our introduction to ecology. So for 9.1.1, you're going to watch this Amoeba Sisters Ecological Relationships video. And then right below that in 9.1.2, you are going to submit a Google Doc or just in your notebook, the terms and definitions from this video. So you will watch this video and then you're going to identify those terms and definitions. You can do that in your notebook, or if you want to do that on a Google Doc, if typing that out is easier for you, and you would rather submit it that way, that's perfectly fine with me. Vocab is a huge part of ecology, so I do have this Unit 9 vocab Quizlet up, and you can go through that and study those vocabulary terms. Then when you do that, you're going to take your 9.1.4 vocab quiz. This vocab quiz is from this Quizlet, so it's not just total random vocabulary words. When you finish your quiz, you will go ahead and do this energy flow article. This energy flow article is an article talking about ecological relationships. And then there's 5 questions at the end of that article, and you will, again, if it's easier for you to do those questions in your notebook and submit them there, that's fine. Or if you want to do it through a Google Doc and send it that way, if that's easier for you, that's also perfectly fine with me. Just make sure that if you are answering those questions in your notebook that you do take a picture of those and that it is a clear picture to where I can read it. That is it for week 1. If you guys have any questions as far as what this week looks like or how to submit anything, as always, feel free to email me, reach out. As far as grades go, make sure that you're submitting those assignments on time and that you're just submitting them in general. There are a lot of missing assignments, and if you are not understanding something, feel free to reach out, and we can definitely hop on a Google Meet for some further explanation. So hey guys, have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.